कभी मीठे से मुस्कान, कभी तीखे तीखे डांट, है उसका एक ही फंडा, बस नॉलेज बांट। चलो बूझो इस पहेली को, बोलो है वो कौन? हाँ 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 टीचर, वो तो है टीचर। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरा, गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरु।
Sunny sir is one of the coolest teacher I know, and this quality of his makes him different from others. He is compassionate, ambitious, considerate, and most importantly affable. He is someone who is spontaneous and a good decision maker, which makes him an efficient teacher and leader. Sunny sir is my class teacher for 2 years now, and I feel he is the best class teacher I could have asked for. Everyone in the class listens to him and he conducts the class so well. Since he is not much older than us, he probably knows what we are going through and what should be done. One of his greatest qualities is that he doesn't do lip service. He would not ask us to do anything unless he himself has done that. Sir motivates us to try everything. He doesn't let us fit in any box. He pushes the boundaries every time and expects us to go out of our comfort zone and learn something new. He pushes the boundaries for us and for himself also. He motivates us to study and ignites the fire in us. For example, Sir brought a cycle for Fit India Run, and this shows he believes in the things he asks us to do and does himself also. Despite all of this, he is a very good physics teacher also. In this pandemic situation, he has taught us every day without fail, and he has his own YouTube channel also, which he uploads the physics lecture about different machines and mechanism, and even we have made videos about physics activities. It was his vision that we would learn the concepts and also about editing. Moreover, he is the most active teacher in the school, participates in everything. He also went to Triple IM with me and I saw how active he was. In this lockdown situation also, he attended more than 200 webinars online, and this qualities makes him a true hero for every student. A very happy Teachers Day, sir. I'm proud to be your student.